Okay, Bismillah, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Yeah, I go by the name Mr. Saeed Hussein. So I am just here in order to give a little briefings on what happened between me and my wife. Yeah, actually the issue that happened between me and her is not an issue of two fighting. It's an issue of infidelity. I caught her chatting with men. I caught her sending her nude pics to men. I caught her conversing with men. I caught her a kind of inviting men to my house to have a session with them and all that. So there was a time on 26th of April 2019, she was in a session with her boyfriend on 26th of April 2019. This is the day. She invited someone from Abuja and he came. He lodged into a hotel in Bombay, of which I don't mean to name the hotel here. And it was on the 10th, it was by 10 o'clock, 10:13 and 10:13 a.m. to 12:16 a.m. And the CCTV camera of that hotel captured the information I'm saying. And I'm ready to defend myself from the family of the mother and from the family of the father. I have my evidences, I have my proofs, and I have my everything. I have been reporting her to the parent severally. And anytime I report her to the parent, I normally send them the evidence of what she does online. These are some of the evidences I always mail. I send them via WhatsApp to the father and to the mother. So even if they don't have the record of what I sent, I have it here. So I sent everything she does. I sent everything. These are some of the nude pics. She normally do a video. See, this is it. She do a video and send it to her boyfriends while being married.
So what is the response of the parents then, whenever you report such cases?
Yeah, the response of the parent is that I should please cover them. I should please keep it within me, that I should not expose them because it will temper with their image, it will temper with this, it will temper with that. This is examples of the nude pics she always send, and some is a video. You see? This is it. This is it.
Did you know, it's all right?
Yeah, go on.
Before you married her.
And you see? Even porn videos, short videos of porn. She exchanged porn videos between she and some of the friends she has.
All right.
Go on.
Before you married her, did you notice all these things about her before you got married?
This is an advanced indecency. It's not physical. Nobody comes to meet her at home. She sacrificed.
What I'm saying is, before you got married, you married December 2018.
Yeah.
According to what?
Yeah, sure.
December
28th of December 2018.
Before you got married to her, do you find out about her attitude and whether she's ready to marry, or
yeah,
you just force her to marry?
I did not force her to marry. And her parent, neither her parent. Nobody forced her. We had a relationship with her.
For how many months?
For months, for years. Yeah, we've been dating. Yeah, we've dated for some months. We break up, and I was called by the mom, apologizing, pleading, and explaining to me that all what conspired, all what has happened is this is the reason, that is the reason. So I came back. We proceeded with the relationship. I always present a gift to her as her boyfriend. She accepts. She sent me a text. We had a very good session with her.
You dated for like say two years. Is
yeah.
Right? Did you discover all this attitude about her?
Basically, no, because I was not opportune to have access with the phone she used to see all this. This is an advanced indecency. Because
not force her to marry.
There is no any even a day before the marriage, her father sat her down and her mother sat her down. That this is the last opportunity for you for your decision making. Are you still interested in Saeed, or you have someone you think you wanted to marry, or did you have any change of mind? She said no. A day to the marriage. A day to the marriage.
So the day this stabbing of things happened, how did it happen?
Yeah, it was on 22nd by the use of an English calendar. That's on 22nd
June.
of June by 12 o'clock in the night. 12 a.m. while I was sleeping. So she sneaked to the kitchen and picked 2 knives. A knife of set of 5, the one that comes with scissors. So when she met me while I was sleeping, she sat down as if she is praying comfortably, facing me, while her back is facing the mirror. So she raised the knife with the right hand and stabbed me and removed it from my stomach and threw the knife behind her. That was when I waked up. I touched the place and I attempted to kind of collect the second knife from her, and this is where she choked the knife in my hands. So she choked the knife here, and I just confidently raised and approached her. When I approached her, in an attempt to choke the second knife, she now choked the foam, the white foam I was using then. I am still using there because it's in the room. This session is held in my house. So it's there. It's there. And as evidenced, as you see, there is there. So I held the hand with my right hand. I held her hand with my right hand. This is where she bite me, saying in Hausa, release me, release me, release me. This is where she bite me. And this is where she caught my hand. This is where she caught my hand. And this is where she caught my hands, striving and struggling.
Okay, the information out there is that 2 of you are fighting. That was when the incident started. Maybe she's trying to defend herself. That's how the knife suddenly came to you.
How I can clear this is when I seized the phone she used. On that, when I seized the phone, she became very sad because suddenly I stopped her from sending her nude pics. I stopped her from making a video calls in the midnight in my absence and taking a sexy pics in order to be posting on the social media. So is that sadness still in her? Is that sadness still in her that provoked her that night and stabbed me? And there was no light on that day. There was no light, and my air condition had a fan problem from behind. So basically, there's no way that AC could work, and it can be verified from the people living in the area, Maikalwa housing by Nasiriya quarters. So people living in that area by 22nd of June 2019, everyone can confirm that. So, and it's not in the kitchen.